SnapBots.
Thumbs up for SnapBots users. My name is SnapBots. SnapBots community always looking forward to building a strong and reputable community around the world. So in this video, I will introduce SnapBots referral program, which helps us reaching AI fintech enthusiasts and investors around the world. It is very easy to participate. You just have to open a free SnapBots account and love the SnapBots. Once you log in your SnapBots account, right on the dashboard frame to the right you will see the referral button. You click to get the link. You just share it with your friends. Or you get the code and just give it to your friends so when they register, they can enter the referral code on the registration form. This referral program currently allows you to receive 20% of your friends' trading rewards. There is one tip on referral links too. If it's too long to share it with your friends, simply use free link shortener programs like Bitly to make it shorter. Those tools are completely free and it can easily make your link shorter. Please note that, to avoid impersonation, spam, virtual accounts, the person you are recommended, he or she needs to do verify KYC to complete the entire process. If you want to higher rewards, there is an ambassador program. You can check out more in detail in a different video. Okay, see you guys on the next videos.